All right, let's start now. Hey, when I check the homework, Jaden, you did. Serena also did. Online, very good. Tommy, I didn't see yours yet. Did you put it online? Again? You are muted. Okay, but never mind.
I did do it. I did do it.
Okay. All right. 45 over b times 9 minus b. B is equals to 5. So I put 5 inside. Then I have 9 minus 5, which was be 45 over 5. And that give you 9 times 4. Do you have this? Yes or no? Okay. Next, there were 18 stars drawn on equal interval from one end to the other end of a corridor and the distance between the first three. So the first thing is you have 18 stars in the interval. Okay, let's draw this. You have the first star here. Okay, so this is the first star, second, third, 4, 5, so on, so on, so on. Okay. Then after that, the first one is here. Let me indicate. Second, third, so on and so forth until the last three. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And this is the last, which is the 18, 17, 16. And the intervals must be equal. Okay, from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. Okay, the distance, he told you the distance between the first 3 stars was 80. Between the first 3, okay, I'm going to use this color. First 3 means from here to here to here. So that means you must have 2 units, right? So this is 2 units, which they are called 80 cm. Where does the 80 cm come from? The distance between the first 3 stars. This is the one. 80. So that one belongs to 2 units, right? So I need to find 1 unit. So 80 must divide by 2, which will give me 40. That is for 1 gap. Equally, 2 units lah. I mean, 1 unit for sure. So now he wants to find the 7th star and the last star. Okay, so from the 7th, so you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to redraw the stars as 7, right? Then I have 8, so on and so forth, right? Until the 18th star. Now my question is, how many units are there apart? How many units? That means how many gaps?
In one column is 10, right?
In the chat function, if you have anything, chat function, sorry, I turned on my chat function. Okay, let me pull out this. Okay, all right. So my question is, how many gaps are there? How many gaps? That's my what I need to know. Okay, so if we are talking about the gaps, wait. So how many gaps? That's first thing first. Okay, so 7 to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Right? So how many gaps are there? Who can tell? Uh-huh, 10. Oh, some say 10, some say 11. 11.
Yeah, most likely the 11 is actually from the suggested answer.
It's from the answer, not from your counting. Because in front has 6 stars, so you count from 7 to the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you will be having 11 gaps. So you minus the 7 stars in the front, you get your number of gaps.
No, that isn't the number of gaps. That's how many stars there are.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. No, you count the gap, you don't count the star, right now. So you must minus the 7 star away. You use fingers to count. You see, the 7th one you don't count, right? Because from the 7th to the 8th is the first one. Okay, so meaning if I were to technically draw everything, okay, then I draw, your watch, this is 7, this is 8, change to 9, 10, okay, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many gaps are there? I use black to count, right? So this is gap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 gaps. Am I right to say that? So with 11 gaps, I multiply each gap by 40 and I get 440 cm. So far, so good. Okay. Question number 3. Let's look at this. Okay, you see, this is Dave, which is 9 years old. This is the dad, which is 3 times as old. So when this is 9, this is 20 what? That is 8 years time, 8 years time. Okay, so when this is Dave is 8, this is now, right? Then what is 8 years time? So you say 8 years later, like drama like that. Okay, 8 years later, is it plus 8? That will give you how much? 17, right? Then he said the dad will be 3 times as old as him. So I must times 3. I get 21. 7 times 3. So I have 51. So he wants daddy's age as in now. That means this one. So you have to minus 8 backward, right? Okay, I repeat. Now you have to minus 8 years before. Am I right? So how to find the age that was 8 years before? That gets down to 43. Okay? All right. Next question. Number 4. Benjamin plans to take 2 friends. So he's going to bring 2 friends with him. Okay. 3 cousins to the circus, but he has only $1,000 to spend. He cannot spend more than 1,000. So for his friends, he want to have 2 VIP seats. What kind of seat is he getting for his friends? VIP. So this one must get 2 seats, right? So kind of him. What is the best type of seat he can get for himself for the remaining money? So that means to say for the friend, he will have already spent $400. And with the remaining money, which is 1,000, and he minus a 4, right? 400. And he get remaining of $600. And he has how many cousins to share this? Oh, he has 3 cousins and he want to get the best for him. So can this be divisible by, what do? You divide by how many? You go and check. If let's say he buys 140, probably yes. He wants the best seat. So what can he buy? Wait, he has 3 cousins, you know. Okay, he has 3 cousins. Do you know what is the thing here? Do you divide by 3 or not? No, right? You know why? Do you have to pay for Benjamin? Do you have to pay for Benjamin? Yes, he himself has to pay. So all in all, you have 3 cousins and him, you must have 4. Correct. So which one do you think he can get? So you use your 600 to share the 4 person first. You should get 150 only at the most. Okay. So he cannot spend more than 150, what? So this one is out. This one can, and can. Then you say, can I buy CDE? Any, the cheaper one can? Of course cannot. Because he say he want the best. He love his friends and cousins also much. Always give the best. So for the best seat, he will have to choose this 170. Sorry, 140. This 170 is too much. No, not enough money. Okay, so you have to choose C. Okay. Next one. Let's take a look at question 5. The graph shows, let's see what they showed, the number of books read from January to May. He wants the average number of books read in a month. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, average number. So there are 5 months. So first thing first, you need to write down the value. February for 300, March, April, and lastly for May. So what can you do here? You have to add them up. So 250, 300, 450, 300. So 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6,000 plus 200. $1,005, and you divide by 5 because there are 5 months, and that gets down to 300. So most of them got correct because easy. Okay, now he's asking for the percentage decrease in which month compared from the March here, which is this one, to April, which is this one. We must find the decrease first. Okay, percentage decrease. You use the higher one, which is 450, minus the drop to 300, and you divide by the original. Okay, the original is 450. Okay, you get 1/3. That is 100 over 3%, and you change it to 33 and 1/3% for this. So far, so good. Okay. Next question 6. Okay. So far, can I see? Give me a thumbs up, everyone, if it's good. Thank you, Jordan. Tommy, okay or not? You are? Very good. So who is missing here? Let me check. Hey, Jovel. Hello, Jovel. Wow, who? Oh, Tommy. You already